If you're a beginner, can you actually do something good with this? This is still sealed, it's brand new. I think this is a really nice gift. If you give this away to someone, they have everything that they need here, at least to start and to get to this finished result. 3 miniatures, the paints, and you also have a brush. Is the brush good or not? I don't know. We'll see. At least you get most of what you need here, but you definitely can't get to this point. This is what we're going to be trying to do. So the idea is the following. We're going to be painting one exactly like in the box art. It comes with 6 paints. You have 4 bases: Balthasar Gold, Macrash Blue, Corax White, and Abaddon Black. And then you have a technical one that is called Armageddon Dust. You will use it on the base. This is what you can make with that. And then Agrax Earthshade. Let's take a look at this brush. The tip looks really good. That starter brush wording is not very promising. We'll see what we can do with that. We have all Marines right here. By the way, and this is a secret, these are the first original Marines that I own. All the others that I have are printed. Shh, I never said that. We will definitely need a clipping tool here, and it looks like these are pop-in. Maybe you won't require glue, but I think it would be best if we use glue. And then of course it comes with the promised colors. If they look like this, don't worry, you need to stir them really good. Now they look okay. Great. So this is what we're going to be using. Clipping tools, and then this is called a wet palette. It keeps the moisture level of the paint so it doesn't dry up, and if you water it down, it's still watered down and you can continue to use it. You need to have some water, a piece of paper to clean your brush, and if you have it, this is a napkin made out of cotton to absorb some of the water excess on the brush, but it still keeps some moisture on the tip of it so the paint won't dry up and it will be useful for longer. This clipper has a flat side. Always use a flat side against the miniature, like so. If we take a look at the box, first you have to put the head and then close the back. Take a look at this bad guy. Wow. It really looks badass. Awesome. I'm sure that many of you are at home screaming, no, you were supposed to paint it first. This is not what a kid would do when they open a starter kit. They would put it together first and then they will paint it. So this is what we're going to be doing. Yeah, I like the tip a lot. Let's see how long it lasts. So first what we're going to be doing is doing a base coat. We're going to be using the Abaddon Black. We're going to be diluting it a little bit so we turn it into a thin coat, okay? This is keeping it close. When you open it, do it vertically, okay? Because as you can see, the paint might fall, so you don't want to drop this. We took some of the paint and we put it here. We place it here on a palette, and then you turn the brush around so most of the paint ends up there. We take a little bit of water and we start diluting the paint. You see how the paint struggles to keep together? That's because you have a lot of water. Okay, great. So now we're going to give it a full coat. So you see how the paint is struggling to hold onto the miniature? Yeah, this is way too watered down. This is better. Okay, so here we have it. What I did is I gave it, as you can see here in the palette, I am mixing black with Macrash Blue. So this is where we are right now. What we have here is a dark base coat with Abaddon Black, and then we mixed together the Abaddon Black here with a little bit of the Macrash Blue, and we ended up with this color. So now what we should do is use only the Macrash Blue and elevate some of the highlights here. You can see the difference in the color, right? It is way brighter. This is the consistency that we're working on. with the blue, the white and the black, you can do most of the miniature. I only use gold just for the eagle, and I could have used this silver. With black and blue, you can do all these shades of colors on the armor. Then with white and blue, you can do some of the highlights here and there, you know. Then with black and white, you can do some of the damage, all these shadings of gray, black leather. I have used the Agrax Earthshade. I think it ruined the miniature. I had to paint it all over. I wouldn't use it. Of course, I have to give you like a review, a warning, a fair warning with the Armageddon Technical Dust, and it's the following. They give you a really nice brush, and with this brush you can do a lot of fine details, you know, the scratches, the eyes, everything. But if you use this technical Armageddon Dust with this brush, you're going to destroy it, because this is basically particles of dust and dry stuff that they get into the brush and they actually destroy it. I had to use something else for this because I wouldn't dare to destroy this. Thank you, Citadel, for putting a brush that allows to have a good experience while painting. Are you able to see all these tiny particles? All that was inside this brush, and this is a disposable brush. So dear Citadel, if you are listening, you could have provided something else so they don't destroy this brush. Maybe, I don't know, some other kind of tool or a really cheap synthetic brush just for the Armageddon Dust. But other than that, this is a great and wonderful set. We can get to really nice results, and I'm not even a good painter. And if you have a question or a doubt, just let me know, leave a comment below. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.